Welcome in Boneyard Garage. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a broken pull cord on a snowblower, lawnmower, whatever. It's all about the same. First thing you want to do is take the pull cord housing off, which I already took the screws out. There's one here, one on the bottom and one on the other side. Once you take those out, you can pull this off. Sometimes you got to take the whole shroud off. This one you don't have to. It's on the Tecumseh. So I'm going to get the camera set up and I'll be back to show you guys how to repair it. Okay, so what you want to do is get the rope, pull cord rope. You want to take off enough for the pretty much arm length, a little longer. Take some cutters, cut it, and once you cut it, you want to burn the end. See these ends all freighted, and you're gonna have a hard time getting it where it's got to go. So take your torch, a lighter or whatever, get it nice and hot, and then you want to pull it with your fingers. It could be a little hot, so be careful. So you get it to a nice point like that. So after we do that, we want to take the recoil, and you got to find out which way it springs back. So you want to wind it all the way up. So it just about stops. You don't want to go too far. Then what you want to do, once you do that, you want to line up the hole where the pull cord comes out of, and the hole, I don't know if you can see, it's right there. Line those two holes up. Take your rope and fish it through. I have to get a pair of needle nose pliers. Hold on. This camera down a little bit. Not a very good angle. Be patient with it. This rope is actually a little thicker than the rope that was on it. It's all I had. So just kind of got to work it. There we go. Pull that through there. And then on this end, you want to tie a knot. Make sure it's nice and tight, like that. Slide that all the way in there, give it a nice tug, and then what I like to do, so it don't go all the way in and you lose the end, I put a knot in it like that, about 6 inches down, just to hold it. So after that, you want to take your handle, you want to burn this end. Maybe I should have put this knot down a little bit further. It's a big handle. Get it out. There we go. We'll bring it way down because it's such a big handle. Slide the rope through the handle. Go ahead and put another knot in it. Just one knot, it's usually good. You want to make sure you pull it tight. That should slip down in that hole like that. We'll just trim a little bit of the excess off. After you get that done, take the knot that you put in to hold it out. On the camera. There you have it. All you gotta do now is put it back on the machine. I'll get it back on the machine and see how it works. Okay, so we got it back on. And let's see if it's going to start up. We did start it already, so. But I just want to show you that it works. Okay, so that's what you do to change your pull cord on a Tecumseh, Briggs & Stratton. They're all about the same. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe. And have a good day.